playing rooms where nobody stayed. Now I'm standing here with 20,000 hands, singing every word we made. Are you with me?
That song was generated with Suno AI. No editing, no mixing, no plugins, just a prompt. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that live concert sound for your AI songs. And honestly, it's easier than you think. Here's the thing. You hit create, and almost every time, what comes back sounds clean, polished, and perfectly mixed. And completely lifeless. There's no room, no air, no energy. It sounds like an audio file, not an actual performance. And that's because Suno defaults itself to studio settings unless you tell it otherwise. So, let's fix that. First up, the style box. This is where we tell Suno not just what kind of music we want, but also how we want the song to sound like it was actually recorded. Instead of describing a clean studio production, we're going to describe an actual concert recording. So here's exactly what I'm putting in. Audience microphones, arena reverb, room tone, amps bleeding. Notice that none of those keywords are really describing the music itself. They're describing the environment around the music. What kind of space the performance is happening in, what the microphones are picking up, and how imperfect that recording should feel. That's what creates the illusion that you're listening to a live performance instead of a clean studio track. Next, we have the lyrics. Same as always, except now we're adding a few extra tags to guide Suno toward that live concert atmosphere. So right at the intro, I'm using a crowd roar tag with stage ambience. That immediately tells Suno this isn't supposed to begin like a normal studio song. We want the listener to hear the environment before the performance kicks in. Then, just before the chorus, I added a direct line to the audience. Are you with me? That's something you hear all the time in real concerts. The singer interacts with the crowd responds, and suddenly the performance feels alive. Then for the chorus, we have a crowd sing-along tag. I also intentionally added that whoa-oh section, because it's exactly the kind of simple phrase a huge crowd can realistically sing together. And finally, we finish with applause and the crowd going wild. Now, under more options, for the creative sliders, I'm going with less weirdness and high style influence. The reason is pretty simple. We've already given Suno a very specific description in the style box, so I want it to stay close to those instructions instead of getting experimental. We also have a new duration slider on Suno, which I want to keep at auto for now. Let's generate.
Cheap your line, borrowed land, playing rooms where nobody stayed. Now I'm standing here with 20,000 hands, singing every word we made. Are you with me? Whoa, hold the light up. Let 'em hear us. We were nothing but a sound in the dark. Now the dark knows every word.
Pretty cool, right? The crowd's there, the sing-along hits, and the whole thing immediately feels much bigger. And we've got some really good spatial awareness here. You can almost feel the size of the venue and that live air surrounding the singer. But here's something else I noticed. The vocals still sound a little cleaner than what I'd expect from a real live concert. They're good, but they still have some of that polished Suno quality. So let's take this one step further. Under More Options, there's another field called Exclude Styles. This is where we tell Suno what we are not looking for, the elements that we want it to avoid. And honestly, I don't see many people using this. It's actually pretty overlooked. Most people focus completely on telling Suno what they want. But sometimes telling it what you don't want makes just as much of a difference. So in our case, I want to remove as much of that clean studio sound as possible. I'm going to type in keywords related to studio recordings, polished production, and perfectly corrected vocals. Just separate each one with a comma. Okay, now let's generate the exact same song again. Same lyrics, same style prompt. The only difference this time is that we've added the Exclude styles. Let's hear it.
Cheap guitar and a borrowed van, playing rooms where nobody stayed. Now I'm standing here with 20,000 hands, singing every word we made. Are you with me? Whoa, let 'em hear us. We were nothing but a sound in the dark. Now the dark knows every word.
There it is. Hear how the vocals now sound a little more cracked? There's more texture and imperfection in the performance. It feels like you're hearing an actual singer on a stage rather than a perfectly controlled studio vocal. Combined with the crowd noise, arena reverb, and stage ambience, the whole track now feels much closer to something recorded at an actual concert. So yeah, that's basically it. The trick is to describe the recording room in your style prompt, describe the atmosphere, and drop your crowd tags into your lyrics. And you can also use the Exclude style section to make sure you strip the studio settings out. One quick heads up, this is still AI, so give it 2 or 3 runs. Sometimes the first take doesn't land, and that's totally normal. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if this video was helpful, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.